Hello, my friends. I'm Alane Freund. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist. I'm out in California, and I'm here today as your international consultant on high sensitivity. I just finished a really lovely sensitivity circle with sensitive women 50 plus, and we call it Wise Women in Wonder. We created a brainstorm of how can we create more balance and more health in our lives, especially as it's winter and things are a little more challenging. So I just thought I would share what I learned and what we came up with today in our group. Write every morning, rest more intentional exercise, bring my body to more activity, set priorities, say no more. The only treatment for overstimulation is prevention. So noticing the need to step back before I step forward. That's a gem, isn't it? Get a pet, have a dog or a cat in the house, be less alone, bring more people into my life, be less of a recluse, doing projects, going on walks, and being aware of the transition at the end of these things. Search for more stability, create more stability in my life, get solid on money, and feel safe financially. Be more connected with family. Be careful about who I connect with and who I surround myself with. Changing definition of a crowd. Being aware of what does it feel like for me to be in a crowd. Noticing without striving to change it. Family connections are so important. Daily affirmations. Make it a habit. Remember my strength. Remember always to step back before you step forward. And then step forward with commitment and faith in yourself. I'm Alane Freund. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.